3, 2, 1.
What level is greater than 7 in a basic solution? The answer is A, pH. If a recipe calls for 3 parts sugar, 2 parts flour, and 5 parts butter for a cake, what is the proportion of each ingredient? The answer is B, sugar, flour, butter equals 3, 2 to 5. Which one-handed knight of the Round Table returns Excalibur to the Lady of the Lake according to Arthurian legend? The answer is A, Bedivere. Which artist is famous for creating the Sistine Chapel's ceiling? The answer is A, Michelangelo. Which of these will lead to a larger population in a given habitat? The answer is D, a bountiful assortment of meals. What is the main book in Chronicles of Narnia series? The answer is A, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Which hurricane caused the most damage in U.S. history? The answer is A, Katrina. What travels through the stem of a plant? The answer is A, water and food. Who was the Norse god of thunder, lightning, hail, storms, oak trees, strength, and fertility? The answer is C, Freya. What is the term for the movement of substances due to random thermal molecular motion? The answer is B, diffusion. What broad group of living things serves as the major producers in terrestrial biomes? The answer is D, plants. I invented the light bulb. Who am I? The answer is A, scientist. What gear helps tennis players reach high balls? The answer is A, racket. Which of these is not an example of Gothic architecture? The answer is D, St. Peter's Basilica. Which place are we likely to find algae? The answer is B, a small hidden puddle. What is often stuck in the drain that isn't wet? The answer is A, hair. What is the outer layer of a suit called? The answer is B, blazer. Moules frites is a dish that is most associated with which part of the world?
The answer is A, Belgium.
What needs measurements taken in the morning and evening? The answer is B, tidal range. What dish from Japan is made with rice, seafood, and vegetables? The answer is B. Sushi. Carbon and what are the second and third most abundant elements in your body?
The answer is D. Hydrogen.
Which language is the national and working language of Sweden? The answer is D. Swedish. When was actress Sandra Dee born? The answer is A. April 23, 1942. Who was the founder of Live Aid? The answer is C. Bob Geldof. What is it that you enter but can't exit? The answer is C. A tunnel. In music, what does tempo usually refer to? The answer is D. Speed of a musical composition. What are the two types of vascular tissues? The answer is C. Xylem and phloem. I have drawers for storage but not for sitting. What am I? The answer is C. Cabinet. Chains of small molecules called nucleotides make up what? The answer is C. Nucleic acids. I carry the weight of continents but I'm not a truck. What am I? The answer is A. River. Where did Kevin and his girlfriend kiss for the first time in the pilot episode of The Wonder Years? The answer is A. In Harper's Woods. What is the name of the compound with formula sodium chloride? The answer is A. Sodium chloride. Though I slice, I never cut, though I dice, I never met. What am I?
The answer is A. Puzzle.
Which artist released the hit Think of Laura in 1983? The answer is C. Christopher Cross. Which artist is famous for his Starry Night series? The answer is A. Van Gogh. What is always on the move, yet stays in one place? The answer is D. Time. What is produced when an egg is fertilized by a sperm in a fallopian tube? The answer is C. Zygote. When was actor and singer Drake Bell born? The answer is C. June 27, 1986. What is a common kitchen utensil for flipping foods? The answer is A. Spatula. What is the name of a branch of the chemistry that deals with the interconversion of chemical energy and electrical energy? The answer is D. Electrochemistry. Which language is known as the language of music notation?
The answer is A. German. Body plans do provide a succinct way to compare and contrast what? The answer is B. Key animal features.
The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, is in which ocean? The answer is C. Pacific Ocean. What is the title of the book where Harry Potter first appears? The answer is B. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. What two teams competed in the finals of the men's football, soccer tournament at the Beijing Olympics? The answer is A. Argentina-Nigeria. I killed a helicopter with a car. Who am I? The answer is D. John McClane. The fast motion of gas particles gives them a relatively large amount of what energy? The answer is D. Kinetic energy. During the 2008 Olympics, the 12-year-old record of Michael Johnson in 200 meters run was broken. What was the new time? The answer is C. 19.30 s. Which element is present in water, H2O?
The answer is D. Oxygen.
What was the name of Jafar's parrot in the Disney movie Aladdin?